Laramie County Restaurant Health Inspections, July 2025 Report, Cheyenne Food Safety Update. Food Safety Alert: what's hiding in your favorite Laramie County eateries? Ever wondered what goes on behind the scenes of your favorite restaurants, bars, and cafes in Laramie County? The Cheyenne Laramie County Health Department is here to give you a sneak peek. Between July 4 and July 10, 2025, their inspectors paid unannounced visits to various establishments, and we've got the scoop. The inspection lowdown. Every facility in Laramie County undergoes at least 2 surprise inspections annually. Inspectors look for 2 types of violations: red critical violations, likely to cause foodborne illnesses, and black violations, non-critical issues, such as cleanliness or upkeep. Establishments are encouraged to correct violations on the spot. For critical issues, this must happen immediately or within 24 hours. Non-critical violations might be addressed by the next routine inspection. If a re-inspection is required, the facility has 10 days to resolve the issue. But here's where it gets educational. The health department's primary goal is not just to catch violations but to educate businesses on safe practices. So, having 0 violations doesn't necessarily mean a business is completely safe, and having some doesn't mean it's inherently unsafe. The Inspection Roundup, July 4 to 10, 2025. Panda Express, July 7, 2025. 0 violations, no re-inspection required. View full report, https://inspections@myhealthdepart.com/Cheyenne-Laramie/print/task *get printable npath Cheyenne-Laramie npike *ZDDFBBCFCDB Bunkhouse Bar and Grill, July 9, 2025. 1 violation, no re-inspection required. View full report, https://inspections@myhealthdepart.com/Cheyenne-Laramie/print/task *get printable npath Cheyenne-Laramie npike EBBBATDFFB Atlas Theater, July 9, 2025. 0 violations, no re-inspection required. View full report, https://inspections@myhealthdepart.com/Cheyenne-Laramie/print/task *get printable npath Cheyenne-Laramie npike A6 CFCFADFB6 CFCFADFB Qdoba Mexican Grill, July 9, 2025. 4 violations. Plus hand sink in back blocked by broom and dustpan. Plus 1 container of adobo seasoning not labeled. Plus scoop handle stored touching adobo seasoning. No re-inspection required. View full report, https://inspections@myhealthdepart.com/Cheyenne-Laramie/print/task *get printable npath Cheyenne-Laramie npike ECCBAEFFB Big D #56, July 9, 2025. 4 violations, 1 critical, 1 corrected, no re-inspection required. View full report, https://inspections@myhealthdepart.com/Cheyenne-Laramie/print/task *get printable npath Cheyenne-Laramie npike E9DBCDFE4BDFCAE 9DBCDFE4BDFCA Barrett Creek Coffee, July 9, 2025. 1 violation, corrected, no re-inspection required. View full report, https://inspections@myhealthdepart.com/Cheyenne-Laramie/print/task *get printable npath Cheyenne-Laramie npike A1EFBFA1EFBF Laramie County Senior Activity Center, July 9, 2025. 3 violations. Plus sanitizer bucket in front serving line hand sink. Plus 1 sanitizer bucket test negative for sanitizer. Plus wet mop in use, mop water not in use. No re-inspection required. View full report, https://inspection@myhealthdepartment.com/Cheyenne Laramie /print/task equals get printable and path equals Cheyenne Laramie and pike equals CDFDFBS CE5B CDFDFBS CE5B. Asterisk our journey RV Resort, July 9, 2025. 1 violation. No reinspection required. View full report. https://inspection@myhealthdepartment.com/Cheyenne Laramie /print/task equals get printable and path equals Cheyenne Laramie and pike equals FFDBCCBFA2 FFFDBCCBFA2F. Asterisk Buffalo Wild Wings, July 10, 2025. 3 violations. Critical. Corrected. No reinspection required. View full report. https://inspection@myhealthdepartment.com/Cheyenne Laramie /print/task equals get printable and path equals Cheyenne Laramie and pike equals DBAEDBCB plus hand sink at the bar blocked by drink crates. Plus 1 bucket of sink and surface sanitizer below concentration. Plus dishwasher at the bar not registering any sanitizer. And this is the part most people miss. Even with violations, establishments are working to correct issues. But, should the public have more say in how often inspections are conducted or how results are communicated? Share your thoughts. Do you think the current inspection frequency is sufficient? How important is transparency in food safety inspections to you? Have you ever experienced foodborne illness from a restaurant? Share your story. Join the conversation in the comments below. Campbell County Food Safety Inspections, What You Need to Know, July 2025. Campbell County Health and Food Inspections, July 4, 2025 to July 10, 2025. Gillette, Wyoming, the Consumer Health Services Division, part of the Wyoming Department of Agriculture, is responsible for inspecting retail food establishments across Wyoming, particularly in areas lacking local health departments. This initiative is crucial for safeguarding the health of residents in Wyoming. In Campbell County, the Wyoming Department of Agriculture, WDA, ensures that all food establishments undergo inspections at least once a year. These inspection reports are publicly accessible and can be found on the WDA's official website. It is important to note that the reports focus solely on routine inspections, excluding follow-up visits or other types of evaluations. The WDA categorizes establishments based on their compliance status, identifying either non-critical violations, not directly related to food safety, or critical violations, which pose a risk of foodborne illnesses. This classification is essential for understanding the safety standards of food establishments. While the WDA aims to identify deficiencies during inspections, its primary objective is to educate business owners about safe practices. The reports serve as a tool to help these establishments recognize unsafe practices and provide guidance on how to rectify them. Any violation found during an inspection results in the establishment being deemed out of compliance. However, it is crucial to understand that violations can vary in severity. Thus, being out of compliance does not automatically mean that a business is unsafe for consumers. Inspections are essentially a snapshot of the establishment at a specific moment in time. Often, businesses are able to correct violations before the inspector concludes their visit. Depending on the seriousness of the violation, businesses are typically given a timeframe of 10 to 45 days to address the issues identified. Serious violations or noteworthy comments will be summarized below, but for a comprehensive report on each restaurant, you can visit the WDA's website, where all current information is made available. Inspection results from June 27, 2025. Arbuckle Lodge Indoor Spa. Violations, 3. Compliance status, in. Comments, the records did not align with the results from IIC Evans. While records indicated no combined chlorine, the actual level was measured at 1.4. The spa is required to be emptied and refilled at least every 2 weeks, but records did not reflect this practice. Combined chlorine was noted at 1.4. Arbuckle Lodge Indoor Pool. Violations: 1. Compliance status: in. Arbuckle Lodge. Violations: 1. Compliance status: in. Complex Wyoming Center. Violations: 0. Compliance status: in. Complex Energy Hall. Violations: 0. Compliance status: in. County 17 is dedicated to providing unbiased news coverage for Gillette, Wright, Rosette, Recluse, Little Powder, Savagetown, and all of Campbell County, ensuring that our readers have access to information without any paywalls. Natrona County Health and Food Inspections, July 11 to 17, 2025, Safety Checks and Compliance. Imagine stepping into your favorite restaurant, only to find out that the health standards might not be as top-notch as you assume. This is the very real concern that the Natrona County Health Department addresses by conducting regular inspections of local eateries, grocery stores, convenience stores, mobile food units, and even vending operations. Every single facility undergoes at least 2 unannounced inspections annually, keeping them on their toes at all times. The Health Department categorizes violations into 3 distinct types: priority, priority foundation, and core. While the primary focus is on identifying lapses in safety protocols, the ultimate goal is to educate businesses on how to correct these practices and ensure a safe environment for their patrons. But here's where it gets interesting. According to the program manager for environmental health in Natrona County, there's no pass or fail in these inspections. Instead, every violation must be rectified immediately or within a 10-day time frame. This means that no business is deemed unsafe as long as they comply with the necessary corrections. If a reinspection is required, it likely indicates a more severe issue or the need for additional time to implement fixes. Most facilities manage to meet this deadline without any challenges. Serious violations or notable observations will be highlighted in summary notes below, but for a comprehensive look at each establishment, you can head to the Health Department's website. For instance, on July 11, 2025, Walmart number 1617 faced inspections. With 4 violations noted, a reinspection was not required. To delve deeper, you can access the full report via the Health Department's website. The report includes comments such as, boards are being used to repair the coving in the meat rooms, which can trap water and create conditions for mold growth. Furthermore, the drain cover under the door between the meat rooms pose a tripping hazard due to severe damage. Bolt holes by the doors in several coolers needed cleaning, and fan covers in LBT 10.2 had an excessive amount of dust buildup. These may seem like minor issues, but they underscore the importance of regular inspections in maintaining consumer safety. And this is the part most people miss: the role of education in health inspections is crucial. It's not just about pointing out mistakes, it's about empowering businesses to improve their practices and protect their customers. So, the next time you dine out, remember that there's a lot more going on behind the scenes than meets the eye. Do you think the emphasis on education over penalties is the right approach? Share your thoughts in the comments.